Hey guys, this is Allie. I'm going to do a oil change and a Fumoto plug install on my friend Robert's Jeep.
What size socket did you end up with there?
This is an 11/16.
Alright. Nice. Good aim.
This is what we're installing. This basically makes your life easier because you don't have to take out a drain plug anymore. You just like do this little lever here, up and over, and it opens it up. Pour out your oil. When you're done, you push it over and lock it in. And it has like a little pin so that way it doesn't come undone when you're driving. To install, you want to make sure everything is nice and clean. You want to make sure this blue washer is still there. And be sure not to cross thread it. And so once you have that hand tight, you want to take your crescent wrench and just do it a little bit more, not too tight, not over tight, and then you're good to go. You get this little black pin, or this little cap that covers your little hole right here for when you're not using it, and then this little black pin right here will go somewhere, I believe, right here on the tip.
Yeah, on the top of it.
It just snaps on, and that just ensures that this little lever can't push up and out while you're driving, and you don't want it to. I'm using the 5W20 Amsoil synthetic motor oil, and it takes just about under 7 quarts.